as usual, on Monday, we have about 12 trending idea to be highlighted across the Asian region. So let's start with the first one with the Asian Equity FTSE 40 index. Pretty much follow up with what we done last week. Last week, we actually highlighting the major trend because it's the start of the year. We're using a weekly chart. For this year, we have some follow through on the smaller time frame, which is on daily chart. Now, on the daily chart, we have revised what we call that support and resistance to reflect the short-term movement. As you can tell, we are expecting a much more stronger movement for this year. Last week decline was pretty much kept within at 20-day moving average, keeping the short-term uptrend remain pretty much intact. So we're expecting the ongoing uptrend to continue with the new resistance is actually paired at 10,600, 10,800, and 11,000, which is pretty much a similar level as we highlighted last week. Immediate resistance, immediate support we've seen at 10,160 and 9,850, while the major support will be at 9,620. So as for now, we continue to expect the Asian equity to continue to trade higher, at least in the near term. This is consistent with what we've seen on the RSI reading. All right, for Malaysia, we have two stock. We're highlighting Aurelius Technology. Last price to 67 cents. So one reason why we're highlighting the price keep bouncing off the major support, which is right within the yellow line here, represented by the 100-day moving average. So long-term uptrend still pretty much intact. So we can see the new high-low structure was in place, and last week momentum breakout above the long-term average line, indicating that momentum remain on the upward. So we're expecting the stock to trade higher. With the net resistance is actually paired at 2 ringgit 84 cent and 2 ringgit 12 cent. Cut loss below 2 ringgit 50 cent. While the quant scoring will be a momentum quant style with a score at 7.65. Then we have Welcome Holding. Currently pretty much still on the uptrend. The recent pullback was pretty much kept within 50-day moving average. New high-low structure was in place. We have another momentum breakout move as RSI breaking above its downtrend channel. Trading volume remain relatively on the high side. We expect the uptrend to continue. Next resistance 1 ringgit 83 cent. The next we will be at 2 ringgit, while cut loss level will be below 1 ringgit 57 cent. Quant style it will be momentum with the quant scoring of 9. All right, quick look on the Indonesia. We have Bank Raya Indonesia. Quant style with quality, quant score is 8.1. One reason why we highlight, the stock just create a new high as per last week and expecting to continue to trade higher, at least near term, with the next target will be at 6,850 Indonesian rupiah. And then the second stock will be Ciputra Development. The consolidation within the so inverted head shoulder pattern has ended. The stock also actually start to unfold its major wave 3. So we're expecting the stock to trade higher, looking to test net resistance at 1,440 Indonesian rupiah. With the quant style will be momentum scoring 8.1. For Philippines, we have First Gen Corporation uptrend set to continue after the stock pretty much create a new higher structure above the long-term downtrend channel. So we expecting the new upcycle to continue. With the next target, it will be at 18.9 and 20.3 Philippine peso, with the quant style of value scoring at 8.2. And then we have Manila Water Company, still pretty much on the uptrend. New baseline above 200-day moving average. Next target will be at 20.5 and 22.1 Philippine peso. Quant style grow with a scoring of 7.7. For Singapore, we have ST Engineering. Uptrend is still pretty much intact after the stock completed what we call that return move. New high low in place. Momentum remain elevated. Next target will be at 4.07 and 4.41 Sing dollar, with the quant style momentum and scoring 8.35. Then we have CSE Global. The major correction earlier has completed within 61.8 over here. Of course, right within at 200-day moving average. So the next consolidation with the triangle is set to end, as we expecting what we call a looming breakout soon. So a breakout above the current what we call that pattern neckline could actually kickstart a new upcycle, as we put our next technical target will be at 47.5 cent and 53 cent with quant style of momentum and quant score 8.6. For Thailand, we have Kasikorn Bank with the scoring of 9.4, constant value. Uptrend set to continue after the stock has been quite much more stronger, solid base within 200-day moving average. Immediate resistance seen at 140 and 152 Thai baht. while the support will be at 126. And then we have TTW. TTW is a utility company. We are using weekly chart for this one, and you can tell that the major breakout has occurred in the first week of the year, and we expecting a follow through as the new up cycle start to unfolding. The next technical target will be at 10.3 and 11.5 Thai baht with the constant momentum and scoring 7.7. For Vietnam, we had Duc Giang Chemical, pretty much expecting the uptrend to continue. The next target will be at Vietnam dollar 100,000, scoring at 8.7 constant momentum. Last but not least will be Bin Minh Plastic, BMP, resistant at 100,000 and 100,010, which is expecting to continue to trade higher. New high-low structure C pretty much intact, constant momentum with the scoring 8.4. Do 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 do.